Hello. Hello. Okay, guys. Yeah. This is time. Alright. Anyway, then Dollar Tree. Yeah. So welcome. Happy Saturday to all y'all. I'm sorry. I know. I was making a video, and I had to restart the video to remake this video. I'm trying to get something to drink, so yeah. It's been one of them days. Saw some kittens get run over. Now I can't open my drink. I guess I don't need it. Okay. Again, let's test this all over. Happy Saturday. Welcome. Okay. Hope I won't get interrupted. Alright, then the Dollar Tree. So, what are these? And I got, yeah, they have Christmas stuff out already. Ain't that weird? Yeah. So, anyway, yeah, they got Christmas stuff out. So, that's what I was going to do. I was going to tell you what they look like. The glare. Yeah, there's 5 in here. Yeah. Now I'm trying to put it back in here. Okay. Put that in later. And I got this still clean, this keep out. I'm gonna put in the bathroom in the window. A wine glass. My husband actually broke the other one, so he likes these. So I got one more. Replaced it. They had some breast cancer stuff, so I got this one. It says Find a Cure. You can barely see. Yeah, it's Find a Cure. I got that. And a repurpose this deep moisturizing shampoo. It's not only good for your hair, I like to use it as body wash too. Yeah, this is awesome stuff. So, call me weird, yes, I know it's shampoo, but I use it as body wash too. Smells good, I like it. Alright, is that all the Dollar Tree stuff? Alright, that's all the Dollar Tree stuff. And like I said, after I saw what I saw today, I didn't really feel like really shopping. I feel like really doing nothing. If you see little kittens get run over on a busy highway, kind of like bums out. So this is the last thing I got. Shirt. It's like a sweater shirt. So yeah. Yeah, I got that. So. That is it, guys. That is it on my videos. So again, thank you for watching my videos, sticking around. I love you all with all my heart, and again, thank you so much. And like I said, if it wasn't for y'all, I guess my videos won't be nothing. So if you haven't, subscribe, comment down below, thumbs up, and I'm gonna do another video. I don't know when I'm going to do it yet, but I'm going to show you all my Halloween decorations that I have put out. So, when I am done, I will make a video on my little decor on my Halloween stuff. So, yeah. So, until then, guys, I hope everybody's having a blessed day, a wonderful Saturday. So, until next time, guys, Bye. Love you all.